have you always dreamed of hoisting your brother up the mast?
Yeah.
Is this like a dream come true?
This is where you go on timeout.
Timeout. Oh, it's a timeout.
So we got our main sail off today. North Sails is so great. The guys up here in Rhode Island, they're so kind. Will is incredible. So thank you very much for taking care of us. Hopefully we can get it back on Monday. But then we just got laundry done today, and with the mooring balls, there's a really nice facility with laundry and showers and stuff. But now we're going on a train ride. We're so excited. They have this train ride that you go on and they feed you and stuff, so it should be fun.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high. We can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops. We could do it all over, thrill is bringing us closer.
What do you do with your napkin?
Oh, hey, I'm responsible. I like corn back.
Good question.
We take it down, let's spice it up.
So our wind instruments went out, and yeah, we don't know what angle the wind's coming at. We don't know how much wind's coming. So we've just been since we've been back on the boat for the last month and a half, we've just been going off feel and thought, whatever, and which is fine, and it's good to learn how to sail like that, but because you reduce sail way early if we've reefed a couple of different times anyway. But today Ian's here with NKE up in Rhode Island, and we're replacing one of the screens for the NKE instruments that went out, and then we have to go at the mast and replace the actual wind sensor. Anyway, NKE is apparently awesome for sailing, and I don't really know what the difference is between NKE and other brands, but it's been great thus far until it went out. So it'd be interesting to know what the real differences are on just the basic B&G instruments or Raymarine, whatever, and the NKE. But we've loved it. It's been good so far. And even with NKE, it's interesting. The wind instrument that we have currently is, I believe it's $1,500. They also have one, NKE has one that's $500. So there's a huge difference. So we actually replaced it. We're replacing it with the original one, the $1,500 one, and then we got an extra one, the cheaper one, just so we have one on board. Just in case, next year we're gonna be in the South Pacific. So all the time I'm just thinking ahead. What am I gonna have to worry about? And so we just have some redundancy there.
We going up, we take it down.
Where are we?
Sail repairing place.
Sail repairing place. What's the brand of sails?
North Sails.
North Sails. Alright, so these guys just let us come over. They're working on our sail, so it'll be fun to see what they're doing.
Can't nothing bring us down. Roller coaster. Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky.
So it's Saturday morning, and I don't know if there's a race going on or what, but there's a bunch of cool boats. Very cool boats. It's fun to watch them. All of a sudden, we hear screaming. They forgot to put on the rudder. What a moron! Was that stupid? Yeah. All right. It's kind of funny. telling you, the T-wall, best investment we've made. It's been super fun. Look at these.
BLTs today.
Has some ranch on it. Oh my gosh. These look so good. Herb mayo.
Yeah, that's like basil and oregano and lemon and garlic.
Wowzers. Thank you. I know, but let me take a picture. Look at these cute brothers. Twinners.
Yep.
Aren't you guys cute? Now we're going to Chick-fil-A.
Boat jobs are dirty jobs.
Yeah. But life's not always sunshine and rainbows.
But life is not always sunshine and rainbows.
And unicorns.
Sometimes it is. Sometimes it's not. Like right now. What are we listening to? Good book?
It's a funny book.
Funny book. Who's that bracelet for?
You.
Oh, thank you. We're gonna be twins.
We're gonna be twins.
We're gonna be twins.
What it's gonna look like.
Leah, I get to be twinners with you.
Our mooring light is the worst. So we're going to check what bulb it is. We're going on a West Marine adventure. We have a whole list of stuff that we gotta go get at West Marine.
Have you always dreamed of hoisting your brother up the mast?
Yeah.
Is this like a dream come true?
This is where you go on timeout.
Timeout. Oh, it's a timeout.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on to it, man.
Here comes our pizza.
Wow, the world's sure changed.
Wait, I saw this. Oh my.
That's pretty cool. Ruby, did you have marshmallow fluff for breakfast?
No, I had yogurt.
Oh, it was yogurt. I thought it was marshmallow fluff.
That would be fun.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
She goes. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna be safe. Well,
This is the
thank you
funnest
so
way to
much. All righty. Have a great one. All right.
To come in one meal and just stuff.
Wow. We are finally out of Newport and on our way. We got our sail. We've spent the last 3 hours trying to put that on and finally got it on. It's always such a huge task to take that thing on and off. But North Sails was so awesome. We dropped it off there, I think, on Thursday, and they had it back to us today. So it's Tuesday. They're pretty incredible. We're excited to work with those guys on our new sails and moving forward. So we are heading to New York City and it's 140 miles or so, and we have wind right now. It's like 4:30, and we'll see how the wind ends up. We don't know. We're cutting through the Northeast Passage there, and it just kind of depends on how fast we can go. We really don't know, so it'll be interesting. We may or may not stop for the night. We may just keep going through, so we'll see. Kind of watch that side for me, please, okay? So North Sails did this for us. All the black patching all along the leech. Will, in Rhode Island, you are a rock star. Thank you so very much for your help getting this done. Seriously, we appreciate so much. We've had so many times that different people have just totally jumped in to help, and this is one of those times, and we are so grateful. So thank you for getting us on our way. So we're in Long Island Sound, and it's like 12 midnight about. I just took a little bit of a nap, but the wind's like perfect. We have like 12 knots of wind, and right at anyway, perfect angle, and we are just cruising right along, 8 knots. So anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful night.